Recovery isn't just about healing, it's about setting the right expectations along the way. One of the most powerful tools in any recovery journey is learning how to set realistic goals and timelines that keep you motivated without adding unnecessary pressure. When you're recovering from an injury, it's tempting to focus on getting back to where you were before, running the same distances, lifting the same weights, or moving the same way you used to. But recovery isn't a straight line, and comparing yourself to your past performance can actually slow your progress. Instead, start by setting small, measurable goals. Focus on what you can do right now, not what you can't. If walking for 5 minutes without pain is your limit today, that's your goal. When you achieve it, celebrate it, then build from there. Recovery is made of small wins that add up over time. Think of your goals in stages. The first stage is about protection and rest, reducing pain and inflammation. The second focuses on restoring movement and flexibility. The third is about rebuilding strength and stability. And finally, the fourth stage prepares you to return to your full activities or sport. Each stage takes a different amount of time depending on your injury, your health, and how consistently you follow your recovery plan. There's no universal timeline. What takes one person 3 weeks might take another 6. What matters most is consistency, not speed. To keep your goals realistic, check in with your body regularly. Ask yourself, how does this feel? Is the pain sharp or manageable? Is my body responding well to this level of activity? Your answers will guide you on when to push forward or when to slow down. Tracking your progress can also help. Keep a simple recovery journal or note your milestones, how your pain levels change, what movements feel easier, and how your energy improves. Seeing your progress in writing builds confidence and reminds you that you're moving in the right direction, even when progress feels slow. Patience is key. Healing isn't about perfection, it's about progress. There will be ups and downs, and that's okay. On tougher days, remind yourself that recovery doesn't fail because it's taking time. It succeeds because you're staying consistent. If you're working with a physiotherapist or trainer, communicate openly. They can help you adjust your goals to match your progress, keeping you safely challenged without overdoing it. Finally, remember that your recovery timeline isn't just about the physical, it's also about rebuilding trust in your body. True healing means feeling strong, confident, and ready to move again without fear. Setting realistic goals and timelines isn't about lowering your expectations. It's about building momentum the right way. When you respect your body's process, every step becomes progress, and every day becomes part of your comeback story.